brother asked you a question yesterday. He said there were 245 seconds. He kept track on his clock while we were cycling, right? He said there was 245 seconds. And then he asked you how many minutes that was. And you remember how you did it? Well, tell us.
I did, I know that 60 is 1 minute, and 60 plus 60 is 120, and that's 2 minutes. 120 plus 120 is 240, but it was 245, so there's 5 seconds left over.
So how many minutes was it?
It was 4 minutes, 5 seconds.
4 minutes. So what you just did was you just divided 200, and I'm going to write it here. You just divided 245 by 60. Now, but what you did was sort of tricky. You said, first of all, I'm going to do 60 and 60. So you didn't like doing 245, so we just write this another way. But what has to go under here has to be equal to 245. But you broke up the 245, first into 60, and then into 60, and then into 120, right? And then and you were left with 5. And what's 60 shared with 60? How many minutes is that?
1.
So put the 1 up there.
Right here.
Yeah, and then put the plus sign.
Plus.
And this is 60 shared with 60. How much would that be? How many 60 divided by 60?
60 shared with 60, 0.
No. 60 shared with 60 is
1.
1. That's what you did. Plus.
Plus
And then you said, how many 60s are there in 120?
2.
Put that up there. And then there are no 60s left in 5, right? So the answer is
1, 1, 2.
plus 2 equals 4. Write that 4 down there. And then you would put 4 minutes, 5 seconds.